Ngeke kitu gani? Ndio machando jango.
Okay, you introduce.
Move just one step. One more step like that. You to fit.
Mko tayari?
Mmekuwa mfanya tangu asubuhi.
Ya kwenda live.
Okay.
Hiyo nzuri.
That's good.
Moja kwa moja. Yes.
Na machini hakuna diesel.
They're ready there.
I think they're ready.
Put away shoes.
The issues. No, I didn't put it. I think you can just read it.
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this press conference. Your statement from Azimio Umoja One Kenya is going to be read to you by Honorable Munya. Karibu.
Yes, good afternoon. I'll read the statement. Our start on talks to resolve crisis. Yesterday, Kenya Kwanza released a one-sided statement signed by Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah that they claimed to incorporate our views. We disowned the statement by Honorable Ichung'wah, as Mio had nothing to do with it. Its contents were those of Kenya Kwanza, their wish list. We wish to clarify as follows. 1, we remain committed to dialogue and a peaceful resolution of the social, economic, and political problems the country is currently witnessing and that threaten the lives of millions of our citizens. 2, in that spirit, we sanctioned a meeting between our leadership and that of Kenya Kwanza under the facilitation of His Excellency Ruto Obasanjo. 3, this initial meeting was to prepare ground for honest discussions of the issues we have been raising and those that Kenya Kwanza feels like raising. The meeting was therefore a talk about envisioned talks. 4, we take this early opportunity to thank His Excellency Obasanjo for offering himself as a senior son of Africa and a global diplomat to oversee a peaceful resolution to the crisis here in our country.